In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to make basic employee changes, such as taxes, deductions, and earnings, or pay rates. From the employee list screen, you will select the employee you want to work with. We'll work with Sirius Black. From this screen, we highly recommend you use the search menu for typing in keywords instead of using the menu tree. You can use the menu tree, but we suggest to do this as it is easier. So let's say we are going to go ahead and update taxes. I'm going to type in the word tax, and you will see employee management, employee pay, tax information. We can go ahead and click on that screen and then make any type of adjustments for this taxes. Please note that we still support the old 2020 and prior W-4s, as well as the new 2024 W-4s. In this case, we are going to change it to the new W-4, which you can see is single or married filing separate. We can put in any of the information and then we could hit save. If you're using the old W-4, and again, this should be for older employees, this should not be for new employees or any type of new changes, we can just simply put in the exemption amount. From here, we can go ahead and hit save. You also have the ability to change the state taxes as well on the lower side of the screen. If you need to add a new state which you are not registered, you will need to contact someone at Payroll Services in order to help you with that. From here, I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now, let's go ahead and update some deductions. From the search menu, I'm going to simply type in deduction, and you can see that we have employee management, employee pay, deductions. I'm going to simply click on this, select the deduction that I want to work on, and then I'm going to go ahead and update the amount. I can put start dates and stop dates in here as well. The stop date will stop the deduction once that date occurs. I can go ahead and hit save, and then I've made that change. For loans, I can also go ahead and put in the balance as well as any type of deductions that need to be supported inside here. If you have a specific deduction that you do not see here, please let us know, and then we can make those changes to your environment or watch the client deduction tutorial to see how to do that. The last item here is how do we update earnings or pay rates. So if I'm going to update a pay rate, I'm going to simply type in the keyword of salary. And as you can see, we see employee pay and salary. If I click on this, I can go ahead and hit add new. I can decide if it's a current change, a future change, and then all I'm going to simply do is fill out the information. Let's change him to hourly, and let's down here in his hourly rate, let's give him a $15 hourly rate. This system will calculate any type of annualized amounts for you, so you can go ahead and see what that looks like. If I'm doing a salary, I can go ahead and put in the per pay salary, and the system will automatically adjust all the other numbers for you. Simply hit save, and you're finished. If you have any type of one-off earnings, such as maybe you have a vehicle reimbursement or a cell phone reimbursement, you can type in the word earnings, and you'll see that all the earnings will be listed. We have a training pay here, so I can go ahead and update that to $50. Please note that anything you add in the earnings screen will be reoccurring. If you want to do a one-time earning, we highly suggest you do this when you process payroll. Click save, and you are done.